Philippines and hello world.
Hi, we're blackpink.
Welcome. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Sinong ganahan ko no na K-pop.
Blackpink and BTS.
Ibalik ang question. Akalay.
Ang sama pa din mo ganahan.
Oo.
Pangutama.
Ipagutan na. Pangutan apo kag i-closing.
Ikaw sa
Blackpink and EXO.
We will now would you
Rather. Sige.
Dapat mo apel.
First, ikaw lang.
Sus! Would you rather guest star in a music video or be broke on stage? Guest star in a music video!
Would you rather guest star in a music video? Ako kay ko ano. Be brought on
Or-
stage para dagdag makakita. Live.
Music video!
O live pa dyan na makakita.
No, behind the scene.
Sa kadaghan-daghan, ikaw pa dyan ang napili. Saka sa stage. Sige, ako na po. Would you rather be the manager for an idol group or your stylist?
Oh no!
Manager? Kay, kanunay, naa. Kanunay uban.
Ako kay stylist.
Kay,
Kay
kay fashionista. Ibutog. Uy.
Adyo nga na ang tanong ni Mama Dago.
Would you rather meet your bias and have them famous only in your country and Korea? Or have them be famous in every country except for yours and never met them?
Saan man taga-bias?
Would you rather yan?
Have them be famous in every country.
Balag din kita.
Balag di ko kita para nila. I will sacrifice everything.
Oh!
Ikaw lang.
Only in my country o sa Korea. Karon makakita ko.
Wa makakita.
Agay.
Ayun.
Would you rather receive an autograph gift from your bias or take a selfie with them? Selfie?
Di pwede.
Remembrance.
Di pwede. Kuan di ay. Selfie with kuan. Autograph pa dyan.
Oh no!
Actually.
Pwede po.
Would you rather give up your favorite K-dramas or your favorite K-pop song?
Oh no!
Favorite K-dramas?
Imo give up.
Would you rather give up your favorite K-dramas?
Di nakakasayaw sa katong Blackpink ha? O di nakakakuan.
Ag K-drama ganun gi-give up. Aron sa songs.
Banday mo tanong pa kidro.
Ay ka na lang. Give up your ako po. Give up your favorite K-drama.
Oh no!
Would you rather sing a song with your bias group for their new album or be featured in their future MV? Kana lang, be featured in their future MV.
Sundog
Kay, di man ko singer.
Ako pod.
Gaya-gaya.
Exposure! Would you rather give up K-pop or give up the internet? Give up K-pop.
Would you rather give up K-pop or give up the internet?
K-pop.
Uy. Oh. Ay.
Ako tibutsak ang kaya. Ako tibutsak
Oo.
ang kaya.
Oh. Give up K-pop bye. Would you rather go on summer getaway with your favorite group or go on a single date with your bias? Oh! Oh! Ano go on a single date with your bias?
Anak ka?
Bias?
Anak ka! Kanya ang Blackpink man mo mas single date.
Oh no!
Ako kay Summer Getaway with my favorite group.
Favorite.
Would you rather marry your bias or be a bridesmaid at you? Marry my bias!
Kisa yung bias na.
Kisa din ba yun?
Would
Kisa yung bias.
Bitaw.
Kisa yung bias.
Kisa man yung i-marry si... Kisa yung kaya. BTS o ka. Kisa man na. Ito si Jenny imuhan i-marry. Would you rather marry your bias or be a bridesmaid? O be a bridesmaid at your bias wedding? Would you rather have your ultimate bias sing to you or dedicate a song to you?
Huh?
Would you rather have your ultimate? Otoke. Ay sa. On. I can dedicate a song.
Sundugon.
Only me. Only to me.
Sing to me niya. Iyahang hinimong kanta. Ultimate by sing to me. Niya, iyahang po yung hinimong kanta.
Kana lang ba?
Oh no!
Would you rather see your bias taking care of a baby or taking care of a pet? Baby!
Ako kay kuon.
Kanan di ka.
Taking care of a pet.
No, kag pet. Look a baby.
Baby. Fetus.
Oh no!
Okay. Okay, Loy. Would you rather choose a great vocalist or a great dancer? Ay, kuon. Great vocalist.
A great dancer.
Kay.
Iba na mag-dipili.
Okay. Oy, yo po. Ay, napod mo dali.
Would you rather your bias date another idol or date a regular person?
Oh, no.
Regular person.
Rather your bias date another idol. Date a regular person like me. Uy, kano nilagi to os? Would you rather be able to speak and understand Korean but never get to visit Korea or visit Korea but never be able to speak or understand Korean? Visit Korea but never be able to speak or
Ako, Ton.
understand Korean. No, pwede ka lang.
Would you rather see your bias kid side or sexy side 100% of the time?
Oh,
What's
no.
100% of the time? Cute!
Would you rather see your bias cute side or sexy side? Sige, sexy side na lang. Ow! Would you rather have the power to magically understand Korean or get front row tickets to every show but never understand a word? Get front row tickets?
Sus.
Bahala di
Asa
man
man
kasi nabot basta makakita.
Wow!
Oh.
Would you rather only listen to girl groups or boy groups?
Oh no!
Boy group.
Girl group, especially Blackpink. Blackpink. Would you rather be in a K-pop group or be a solo artist? Solo artist. Para
Solo.
K-pop group. Niya ako yung leader sa Blackpink.
ay Blackpink.
Would you rather have your bias give you teddy bear on Valentine's Day or a rose on your birthday? Rose on my birthday?
Teddy bear on Valentine's Day. Okay. Teddy bear.
Dagan na kag teddy bear.
Would you rather never have subtitles or never have lyric translations? On B. Never have lyric translation.
Bow. Ako po
Okay
never
ra.
have lyrics translate or
Sean?
show. Would you rather co-write a song when you're with your bias member or direct the music video of your bias band. Direct the music video of my bias band.
Ako. I co-write a song with your bias member. Would you rather have dancing skills like Blackpink Lisa or a voice like BTS Jimin? Dancing skills like Blackpink Lisa.
Ako po, Blackpink Lisa.
Puro gaya-gaya. Wala naman.
Would you rather see every one of your bias group's concerts or meet the members one-on-one in person? Would you rather see everyone good of my bias group's concert? Kay kanunay man. Kaysa usa-usa ra, nya kas-ara jud. Concert.
Group concert para kausarang tanaw. Would you rather go to a concert or go to a fan meet?
Oh no!
Concert para tanang
Ba?
performance makitaan.
Ba ako pod concert.
Fan meet kay makita, makuan man nimo.
VIP
Makaduol man ka.
concert. Pag VIP may sa
Hindi,
concert.
kontento na ko concert din na fan meet.
Igaro
Sige.
ka may. Ay, na pa yung sunod nimo sa
Para
phone.
dugay nimo sila makitaan ba?
Baw.
Yeah, sige po
Usa
sila
ka oras.
perform para nimo.
Baw. Would you rather buy a Would you rather buy a light stick but never go to the concert or go to the concert with no light stick? Sus,
Yeah.
para asabay ta na.
Yeah.
Usahon.
Ako. Would you rather automatically know how to speak Korean or automatically know how to read Korean? Kuan? Know how to speak Korean!
Wow.
Oh no!
Sige na nga, may nimo.
Would you rather receive singing lessons from Rosé or dance lessons? Singing lessons from Rosé.
Singing lesson lang from Rosé kay
Ingana.
hadlok sa.
Smile. I told you to smile. Kung na, andra ka kadak mo.
Sus, taas na pod. Would you rather get to go to your bias group's concert but with the worst seat? Or go to a concert for a group that you know of but don't really like with VIP tickets?
Go to a group. Yeah, VIP. May na lang.
Di man nimo figure.
Basta kikaila.
Worst seats na lang. Basta kay dito ka sa concert sa imong bias. Tintahe mag-concert ang mga di nimo ganahan. Kagawaso na ka, ganama ka sa VIP.
Would you rather have your bias get into a dating scandal or racism?
Oh no!
Racism.
Racism.
Kana bang mang-discriminate og mga colors
Race
ng mga
or mga
tao?
race.
Dating
Bagay
scandal. Kay pwede raman na masabtan. Serious naman ang racism.
Yeah.
Last
Last piece. Last question. Would you rather sit in a front row at a EXO concert or a backstage pass to see BTS?
Front row!
Yeah, EXO.
BTS mo ka ay.
Ay, backstage
Oh, no.
pass! Yeah.
Bye-bye!
Bye!